Pixel Pumas Pro. We are locals.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air.
Hey, my name is Thomas. I'm from France. I'm 33 years old. I've been in Canada for about 7 years. When I arrived to Canada, I came here as a tourist for explore Canada, for check it out how it was. And after almost at the end of my tourist visa, I came to Banff for explore and to see the beauty of the Canadian Rocky. And with the hope that it was my last trip in Canada. And the day before I flew back to France, I received my visa. So I decided, wow, Banff is so beautiful, I have to go back to Banff. And here I am, 6 years later, I still love Banff as the first day. And I love the mountain, I love the culture, I love like everything about it, you know, the people, like everything. And I've been working in the culinary world for the last 6 years in Banff. And Banff became a destination, the restaurants are amazing. So that's why I stay for so long, and because I just love it. And that's why I'm a local.